Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the cannot start de novo service error on your PC. One common reason for this error is that your antivirus software has blocked or quarantined de novo files that the game needs to run. To check this, open Windows Security and go to Virus and Threat Protection. Then select Protection History and look for any entries related to your game or de novo. If you find a blocked item, select it and choose Allow on this device. You can also prevent future issues by adding your entire game folder to the antivirus exclusions list. This stops important game files from being removed or blocked. If the error still appears, the next step is to disable certain Windows virtualization features that can interfere with de novo. Press the Windows key, type Turn Windows features on or off, and open the matching result. In the list of Windows features, find Hyper-V and Windows Sandbox. Remove the check marks from both options, then click OK to save the changes. After that, restart your computer so the changes can take effect. Once your PC has restarted, launch the game again and check if the de novo service starts correctly. These steps usually resolve the problem by restoring blocked files and removing Windows features that may conflict with de novo's anti-tamper service. Thanks for watching.